Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
We are far ahead of all tribes in Nigeria, far ahead. Before South Africa had electricity, we had it. Before France had television, we had it. What do we want? We want an independent Yoruba nation. We want a self-sufficient Yoruba nation. We want a Yoruba nation that is free of the albatross of Nigeria. And that's why we are telling the whole world, by amassing this crowd, to show that there is no opposition to Yoruba nation in Yoruba land.